Okay, so this video here is just going to be a preview of some things I'm going to be showing here in the future. I think this is really cool. So what we're going to do here is we are doing the exact same thing as in the image neural net example using MNIST. Except what we're going to do is we're going to change it so that we are only updating 30% of the weights. We're only training 30% of the weights. And the results are kind of crazy. Because you're only updating a few of them, it'll work much quicker. So this is that file. This file right here. Doing 500 iterations. These are the results here. 9,200, I think, milliseconds is what it is. And it gets down to roughly 45.45 as the loss. It does jump around a little, but goes to a pretty low loss. If we go to image neural net, also doing 501 iterations. Wait for that. While we wait for that, I will say I also did something like this on the Transformer Karpathy stuff. Sorry, side note. Okay, so 0.76, 0.72 versus 0.45. I'll definitely do a test set on this. Testing out its predictions with a test set to make sure and to compare that way. But this looks awesome. It seems like it's more accurate with 30% of the weights. We can go to 50% of the weights. See what that does. Maybe it makes it worse. Maybe it makes it better. Let's find out once it finishes. It does better. That's crazy. But oh yeah, so the time 95:41 versus 92:11. Not sure how much round off error that is, but it looks like it adds a little time. Versus 16,000. 16,000 versus 9,000. Crazy. With better accuracy, it looks like. But I also did this in PyTorch for the Karpathy style videos. And it turns out, so there's a different way to do this with PyTorch, which doesn't speed anything up at all. But it does seem it's equally or better or more accurate if you do it with certain ones of the linear layers. And it looks pretty cool. This is interesting. I don't know. This is my own experiment. I don't know if somebody's already done this. I'm sure they have, and I just haven't found it. But yeah, I think it's really cool, and I will have another video or possibly two videos. A second one with the PyTorch implementation of the Karpathy using a subset of the weights. I'll have the how-to video coming up shortly, but yeah, I think this is really interesting.